Hi guys, welcome to Press Play on Life. Last June we were organizing everything so we could build ourselves a makerspace. Little did we know that at this point that Karen was going to sell her house and move everything over here. We found a keepsake box full of Karen's high school memorabilia and some of my kindergarten things. There's my kindergarten yearbook. Whoop. And Karen's going through all her high school stuff. And college.
This is HPE. Living Way Christian School. Yes, I used to fit that.
You were 16. We all used to fit things when we were 16. Oh, cool. I remember that. What? Honor roll?
Selected during the 1983-84 school year as a distinguished Christian high school student.
Over the years, we have collected so many tools. We just kept getting more of the same thing because we didn't realize that we already had it. We didn't have the funds to buy ourselves a nice storage solution until now. All right, we are on our way into Home Depot to get a tool chest. Yes, we can finally organize all those tools.
Yeah, I know it doesn't seem like something two chicks would do, but
we're very DIY crafty stuff. They didn't have what we wanted, so we had to order it, but they're going to deliver it, which is great, and they gave us a free bottle of water. So awesome. It's like 100 degrees outside, so that was a plus. What we really want is to create our own maker space, our own creative space, because we love to create things. The following month, our tool chest was delivered, and you can see here just how excited we were. Do I see any what? I don't know. Yay, how exciting. Hello guys.
do you mind just right there? Right there. Our new workbench, the tool chest. We'll have an unboxing party later. But if you look over there, yeah, I know. Still looks really messy, but it's not.
We've really cleaned.
So we're gonna measure and list that bowling floor alley, get that out of there. Stuff in the middle is just like camping stuff. But
Camping.
all that stuff over there that says like Grandpa's hutch, and that's all like memorable stuff that we still have to kind of go through.
And there's some books. There's just some things we have to go through.
Books and photo albums and that kind of stuff. But it's the stuff that we've gone through this house. So we've gone through this house a lot. And that's really all that's left other than camping stuff. So we're gonna make a maker space over there. So we're gonna go kind of over where that stack is, Kel. If you look, kind of over against that back wall. That's kind of where this is gonna go. And then I think that dresser that we're gonna turn into a workspace as well. That we're gonna do. That is a mid-century modern that needs repair. We're gonna make it cooler mid-century modern. Put it on casters, and I think it can come out from the wall this way so that we have an L shape.
Mm-hmm. I'm so excited. Makerspace. Yay.
So in reality, it means a lot of work for you today because I can't carry any of that. So all those boxes.
All that stuff over there.
So once we get the shelves that we're going to get next.
It's so messy still.
We have to set.
I'm going to clean it.
I'm sorry. Anyway, once we put those shelves together for the basement where that closet area goes,
yeah,
then all of that stuff will set on those shelves.
Okay,
and hopefully we'll have enough clean space to.
We're on our way to get the shelves.
So that's next.
That's next. We had ordered shelves online through Sam's Club, and we got a confirmation email that said, "Hey, they're ready. Come pick them up." So we take ourselves up to Sam's Club. And they have no record of it. As a matter of fact, they don't even have a record of it. They don't even have the shelves. So we were very disappointed. Yeah, I need to do the propane.
Amazon will be
Well, stink. We don't get to pick them up because there was some kind of mix-up. They don't have them. They said that they were ready to pick up and then it was actually canceled. So, no shelves right now. We have to go and order more. And we thought, well, we'll just go online and order them from some other company. But before we did that, we thought, well, we're just gonna drop by Home Depot and see what they have.
That's special.
Oh, sorry.
He's got it on a chain. That's cool.
That's cool.
When you drop it periodically, it makes it a whole lot easier.
I love it.
Tell me what we need to do.
I love it.
Right over there. Gonna get close to this down over there. Drop.
I do think you're pushing it. I'm all over my toes. Following you. Okay, we're good.
All right, they had them, so now we're on our way-ish home. This is gonna be a long vlog because it's going to be a matter of days, weeks.
It's gonna be long for us. It might not be long.
Won't be long for you all, but it's not just a one-day thing. They had the same set of shelves that we wanted. Our next step was to go home and get the basement side all ready to install these shelves. Guess what? I thought this was gonna be a massive, terrible, horrible job, but I was able to get under the old 1976 gross tiles, and I was able to just pull it right up. That is awesome. I'm so excited.
You know, like you've got squares on the floor still.
I know. So we put not old. So we put laminate down.
We put laminate down. That's this stuff, right? But then they had when they did the basement, they got concrete dust all over it. We couldn't get cleaned up, but we got to get it.
Cleaned up.
We got to get it cleaned up because this area where the sump pump is, across where Kelly's standing, that whole thing's going to be a closet when we remodel the basement. But for now, we've got some really cool industrial shelving to go there, and that's the next project. But we've got to get that done.
Gotta get this clean.
Got to get this mess cleaned up. Well, that mess cleaned up first before we can bring the shelving in, and then we'll go out here to the garage. Well, yeah. Then out here in the garage, all of these boxes go on those shelves that are yet to be built that are standing right there. And then over there, which we showed you the other day, is the tool chest. And these are all the tools that we've acquired. Well, those don't look like tools, but there's tools in there. And some over here. There we go. Hi, Culligan. That go in there in our makerspace.
So excited. I need a trash bag. Karen had just had her second back surgery just a couple months ago, so she's not able to do any heavy lifting or anything. But she was an amazing camera woman. Thanks, Karen. And it is a big family affair. We have Nancy and Charlie and Karen and myself, and we're down in the basement, and I start to put together all the shelves. All right, here we go. Next day, we've got our shelves. We're gonna be building that today. I gotta cut these open. Here, Karen. It's a shelf back.
Mommy's little helper is gonna help her carry all her stuff in. Move your feet. Look out, Charlie. Oh, we opened the box the correct way. That doesn't look like much of an instruction kit.
It really doesn't.
Smile. Should you be having these on?
Yes, and my wrist
that.
brace. Oh, that would make a difference. Duh.
Give me that glove. Give me that glove.
They're practicing, they don't play. Don't step on the front of that and get hit in the back. I love the engineering on this. No, you were going to do the back side first.
Yes.
You is welcome.
Oh, that crap. Over there and cut this for Mom, please. Thank you.
You can pull it out this way.
We got the shelves all put together and all the boxes moved. The basement and the garage are finally. Wait a second. Excuse me. Goodness. The basement and the garage, they're finally coming together. I have one more task that requires me to suit up. And I look like I belong in the movie scene. It was just ridiculous. Ha ha ha, this is so funny. So funny looking to me. And besides, this suit is so hot. Look at my glasses, I'm all steamy. Whew. So now, the time has come. The pod that we had out front is finally getting hauled away. And I was just ecstatic because this means that the foundation repair, all of that stuff, it's behind me. We can move on. We're done. Yay. I just want to say I am such a nerd because I am sitting here looking out the window watching the pod go away. It is so cool. Have you ever watched them do this? It's amazing. They have this neat contraption thing that lifts the pod up and it's cool. You'll just watch the other video we made. It's so cool. But little did I know that come spring, we were gonna have some very interesting news.